Okay, so I'll probably end up moving the camera, but we'll see. I got Thai food. Not even really. I just got drunken noodles. I was gonna stop to get a bev, but I'm literally just trying to eat, and I don't want to keep like stacking on the calories, if that makes sense. Like, you're big back enough today, okay? So don't overdo it, respectfully. I've been craving this, so I hope. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, y'all, it's literally a heart. Y'all, I'm gonna take a picture of this, bro. That is so fucking cute. Like, are you kidding me? Alright, so that's that. I know that's gonna be super fire. And then, let me take a sip of water. Okay. And then the star of the fucking show is the drunken noodles. Get the fuck into this. Get the fuck into it. All kind of veggies in there. I got shrimp. And it's kind of just like a flat noodle. But I love these noodles so bad. And I haven't had this in so long, so I'm hoping it's as good as I remember. Okay, let's do it, y'all. Cheers. Oh, yeah. I feel like it is really close. I'm gonna back you guys up so you don't have to suffer me eating that close in your face. I feel like that's better anyway. Hold on. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. Very good. Definitely a little spicy, like she said. But I'm glad, because spicy food don't be spicy. That's really yummy. The veggies are like soft but not overcooked. They're leaving. Oh my god. I just got a fat piece of ginger. There's fried egg in here. Broccoli. Have a little shrimp taste. I was gonna yap, but that food is good. Bell pepper action in here. See, like, the noodles are mad good. Oh, like, I like it when they do that sometimes, when they're like a little bit stuck together. I gotta learn how to make whatever sauce goes on this, cause it's not peanutty like pad thai. The place I was originally gonna order from didn't have this, so I went to a different restaurant that I've been to before that has this specific dish, because I know what the fuck I want. It was $21 for both, for all of this and literally all that mango and sticky rice. So both things together was 21, which is not bad at all, because this is shrimp, so it's, oh, excuse me, it's more expensive than the veggie one. The scallop one was like 17, I think. I was gonna get it, but then I was like, I don't need scallop. And I like scallops like super seared, like a very specific way. So do I sound hypercritical of food? Because I don't mean to be. It's just I cook. So it's like, I'm just like, I would like this with this, you know? Too good. Like, that sauce is so fucking good. Like, it's a little bit sweet, a little sour, spicy. Whew, that carrot was hot. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I'm tripping, but just a little bit of vibration. But every car like moves a little, especially because I have the air on. But I don't want it to get fucking hot as fucking here. But it is turning fall. The leaves are turning red. So, you know, it's gonna be that time of year again, boy. Oh boy. I also really like Thai basil fried rice. That shit is gas. Like, I pay extra for storage. Stop playing me. Stop playing me. The hell? Exquisite. Listen, I feel like when I'm hungry, I have no shame, so. So I've definitely almost cleared house. It's spicy. I finished damn near all my water. I'm noticing, excuse me, pieces of peppercorn in it. It's just so yummy. It's really so fucking good. Alright. They ate with this one. That's why it's been on the menu for mad fucking long. I feel like as long as that restaurant been open, they had drunken noodles. And the onion still got a little bit of crunch. Honey, they literally got this one to a T. before shrimp is diabolical, but it was really, really good. That was really fucking good. Like, literally, like, 9.8 out of 10. That was fire. Literally, because it's just fucking spicy. Okay, so the star of the show. Ooh, little view moment, y'all. But no, the star of the show is definitely gonna be the sticky rice. I'm so excited! Okay. Let's get into it. Rice first. Okay. Try the mango. Oh, well, y'all. It's already gonna be good because the mango's fucking sweet. Look at that. Like, are you kidding? Okay. I haven't had this in years. Oh my goodness. This is so fucking good. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. They literally put so much love into this. It's a heart-shaped fucking rice ball. Literally devoured. So good. Perfect. Delicious. Exquisite. Magnificent. I got a bit with that sesame on there. Really nice umami.